Next question is from Nitu Lakhare. Why the ACL injury is most common in knee joint?
Why the ACL injury is very common in knee joint?
Is most common in knee joint.
Sir, ये बता रही है या पूछ रही है?
नहीं, ये पूछ रहे हैं.
कि why it's very common?
Yes.
See, 1 second. मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. See, अब ये देखिए. Can you see this? I think आप लोगों को जब मिल जाएगा तो this is exactly आपके एक इंटरकॉन्डाइलर नॉच से ये निकल रहा है और दूसरे पे अटैच हो रहा है. जैसे ही ये, जब तक मैंने आपको बताया कि इसका मतलब ये क्रॉस और दूसरा ये आपको दिख रहा है व्हाइट लाइन, दैट मींस दिस इज टॉप, ये टूट गया है यहाँ से. अब इसमें ये है कि जैसे ही ये लूज पैक पोजीशन में होगा तो ये फाइबर जो है ये लोड नहीं लेगा, और जब ये लोड नहीं लेगा तो ये टूट जाएगा. And the other thing why this is very common, as I already told you, most of the ligaments, especially हमारा जो ligament बना हुआ है ये connective tissue का बना हुआ है, collagens का बना हुआ है, protein और बाकी सारी चीजें. Sometime we were in the lack, और maybe हमारे पास उतना adequate mineralization अपनी body में हम maintain नहीं कर पाते हैं. This is one of the reason. Even the latest research was saying कि forget about India, मतलब India is much better than other countries. US में there's like 20 lakh people are having ACL injury every year. I think it's because of vitamin D. I personally think.
Next question is from Dr. Nimish Matre. Does the rehab differ if it is a hamstring graft or a patellar tendon graft?
पहली बात तो आई थिंक मैंने जहां तक पढ़ा है पटेला टेंडन ग्राफ्ट तो नहीं जाता है, मतलब बहुत पहले जाता हो तो पता नहीं, रिसेंटली तो मैंने नहीं पढ़ा. आई एम सॉरी, आई हैव टू रीड अबाउट दिस, आई डोंट नो. बट हाँ, हैमस्ट्रिंग टेंडन अगर है तो हैमस्ट्रिंग टेंडन इज इम्पोर्टेंट बिकॉज वो तकरीबन कुछ 1200 न्यूटन फोर्स एक बार में आपका नी उसको रेजिस्ट कर सकता है. मतलब इतना हाई इम्पैक्ट से अगर आपके आफ्टर ए रिकंस्ट्रक्शन एंड यू आर अंडर द फील्ड और समवेयर जहाँ पे आपको कोई फोर्स है, तो रिकंस्ट्रक्शन को क्या बोलते हैं उसको, वापस से इंजरी होने के चांसेस नहीं होते इफ इट्स अ हैमस्ट्रिंग ग्राफ्ट. And I think hamstring graft is one of the most successful graft as far as I studied.
Next question from Neha Bhide. What all exercises can be included in progressive resistance exercise?
Progressive resistance exercises में सारी चीजें हैं. सारी चीजों में आप ऐसे कह सकती हो, you can go for the like SLR case, you can introduce yourself with the gradual weights, like, but हाँ, one thing I have to explain, sorry मैं भूल गई इसमें बताना. Thank you Neha for reminding me. Whenever you go for any kind of reconstruction, replacement, any kind of surgery, start with the free weights. Once your weight will reach beyond 2 kgs, then you can only start the resistance band. ये actually हम लोग reverse करते हैं, because इसका reason मैं बता रही हूँ why. Because जब आप free exercises करते हो तो एक particular point पे आपकी body resist करती है and you can get that strain. But जब आप किसी भी elastic band के साथ अगर कोई exercise करते हो तो जो recoiling power होती है वो आपकी मसल्स नहीं ले पाती है, जिसकी वजह से फर्दर ब्रूजेस, डैमेजेस और वो रिहैब को एक्सटेंड कर देता है. Okay, now I'm coming back to your we are coming back to the question what she said. कि progressive exercises में you can go for the weights, you can go for the TheraBand, you can go for the gym, yeah, like you can start that cross trainer for the cardio, and you can go for the leg pressing, you can go for the hookah hopping, you can go for the agility drills, even you can go for the trampoline, आंख बंद करके खड़े होना, सिंगल लेग स्टैंडिंग, टो स्टैंडिंग, ठीक है. बीम है कोई, बीम इन द सेंस कोई गद्दे का कुछ बना हुआ है उस पे वॉक करना, पानी में बैलेंस करने की कोशिश करना. दीज आर द प्रोग्रेसिव एक्सरसाइज एंड देयर आर लॉट्स मोर.
Next question from Dr. Pooja. In grade 1, do physio need to get the player out of the field? Can player continued with bracing in adverse match conditions?
Sir, I won't be able to get it.
Shall I repeat?
Ji, sir, please.
In grade 1, do physio need to get the player out of field? Question mark. Can player
Ji.
continue with bracing? Question mark. In adverse match conditions.
See, honestly, अगर जितना मैं जानती हूँ, कोई भी पेशेंट, कोई भी स्पोर्ट्स प्लेयर ग्रेड 1 इंजरी पे बाहर आता ही नहीं है. He always come with a certain kind of click and clunk with multiple injuries. हाँ, अगर आता है और अगर आप डायग्नोज कर लेते हो, try to say no to him. ब्रेस के साथ भी ना खेलने दिया जाए, so that is better. We can save him from the further damage.
Next question from Nimish Mahatre. Is it true that closed chain exercise are preferred over open chain exercise because co-contraction is preferred over open chain exercise in ACL rehab?
Why closed chain exercises is important? Basically, he wants to ask this. Sir, Navneet sir?
Yes.
You want to ask this? So,
yes.
This is important. This is important because closed chain में आपका trunk is stable, your knee is stable, your ankle is stable. You're just moving your knee joint as per your resistance of pain. So there is no chances of getting any kind of further injury, any kind of further damage. A patient may not be fall, and gradually he can able to get the confidence over himself. So I think that's why this is more preferable. Any other questions, sir?
Next question from Meghna. Just a moment. It has gone up. Sir, when we can start giving ultrasound and IFT?
From day one. From day one. But yes, if you are asking in the reference of post-op, you should not. You should not. At least अगर बहुत ज़रूरी है, वैसे तो ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ती है. If you are on the right track, but अगर ज़रूरत होती है, I think it may be on the 6th or 7th week, or maybe like after 10 weeks.
Next question is from Dr. Privesh Kumar sir from Australia. He would like to ask, how long non-weight bearing post surgical case? Sir,
मैंने पहले ही भी कहा, depending on the patient. The other thing is non-weight bearing is for 3 weeks, because then we can start toe touch. So that is, you can say it's also weight bearing, but अगर आप full weight bearing की बात करें, that will come up like 10 weeks, as I already mentioned with one of the student who already asked. She already asked me about that. If you are including toe touch as a weight bearing, then it will start in 3rd week or 2nd week as well.
Next question from Nidhi Rani.
Ji.
In non-operative cases, when can we start knee range of motion?
In which grade?
Nidhi Rani, can you just specify in which grade you are asking?
हाँ निधि बोलो. अच्छा, ग्रेड 2. ग्रेड 2 में आप जैसे ही उनका थोड़ा पेन और इफ्यूजन कम हो जाए, वैसे तो वी कैन स्टार्ट इन 2nd वीक ओनली. सी, यूजुअली नॉन ऑपरेटिव केसेस में हम लेके चलते हैं कि वी हैव I think somebody's mic is this thing. Nidhi, you asked me, so I'm explaining your question. कि अगर आप ग्रेड 2 में पूछ रहे हैं वेट बेयरिंग का, सॉरी, शी आस्क्ड अबाउट वेट बेयरिंग सर, राइट?
या.
हाँ, so we
no range of non-operative cases, range of in knee range of motion.
हाँ, range of motion we can start after 5 days, 5 to, or you can say it like 1 week maximum day. इससे ज्यादा करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है, because रीजन ये है कि जितना आप डिले करोगे, क्वाड्स, यू नो दिस थिंग, कि चाहे वो पोस्ट ऑप हो या कोई किसी भी तरीके का नी का इनहिबिशन हुआ हो, सबसे पहले जो मसल वेस्टिंग में जाती है दैट इज क्वाड्स. So we can't afford to waste our quads as fast as possible, as like this. So we have to initiate the basic exercises from day almost like 5th to 7th. In any case, we have to introduce. It may be like 5 degree of range of motion, but we have to introduce.
No any other question is there?
So I think we are done for the.
Yes.
Oh, Nidhi, you're welcome.
So we can close the session, I guess. And
thank you, sir. Sorry, sir. I think you are about to say something.
Yeah, I was saying certificates I will be sending to everyone in another 2-3 hours. And thanks to all the participants and thanks to you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, everyone.